Dodo Home in London provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, an 18-minute walk from Regent's Park, 1.8 kilometers from British Museum and 1.9 kilometers from London Zoo. This property offers access to bowling in the bowling alley. The apartment is composed of a fully equipped kitchen and one bathroom. A bicycle rental service is available at this property. King's Cross Theatre is 2.1 kilometers from the apartment. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 16.1 kilometers from the property. Camden is a great choice for travelers interested in theatre, shopping and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.